getting ready na para sa Island Happy. Hey guys, good morning. So, nakabihis na ako for my Island Happy and then mag-cover up muna ako. Ayan po ba guys. Siya naman po, may iwan po siya dito. Sana mo ito siya walang apang. Nagdala ako ng ganito para, you know, waterproof and wallet na din. Para kapag mag-iwan ako ng gamit, nasa akin pa rin yung wallet and pera ko. Ay, yung wallet. Yung pera ko pala. Wala pa mga boxes eh. So, ito yung bag. Ayan, yung mga burloloy ko. And then, other cellphone. So, let's go! Breakfast time, guys. Wala mag-isa. Just like what's happened. So, morning po. Kay kuya ako nag-book. Yan. May hinihintay ko kanya na, yes, joiners din sila sa Helan. So guys, we're on our way to our date. Sumabit. This Popa Beach guys, Popa Beach. Sige, bye-bye. Sa beach tapos na kami. So, babalik sa boat namin. Alas na sila guys. Next stop, hindi ko lang dito sa akin. Hoy! So guys, kakain na kami. Hi guys, this is what's her name again?
Sylvia.
Sylvia from Thailand. Yeah. Okay, you fix it. Yeah. Oh, see? So pretty. And, yes. Hey. So guys, tapos na kami kumain. Vlogging. Tatawid na kami doon sa aming boat. Crystal boat na kami guys. Guys, look. What?
They are active
Yeah.
and happiness.
Ah, yeah.
4:30. 4:30.
What activity?
This one.
What's that? Okay. At 4:30?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you going to walk or no?
Walk.
Yeah?
Walk to where?
Where are we going?
I want to back to.
Yeah.
We will go to the cell
Yeah.
sunset together.
This one?
This one.
Yeah. Kuya! Nag-order muna kami ng mango shake, guys. No, it's good. It's not too sweet, but it's good. Okay na po. Ini-invite niya ako sa sunset sailing. So, let's do this, guys. Nakalibre tayo, syempre. Magbihas na ako. Mag-meet kami ng 4 dito. I only have 1 hour to prepare. I'm so tired, but yeah. Tatanggal muna ako ng buhangin, guys. So yan, nag-meet kami mamayang 4. Hindi ko lang kung saan kami nag-meet kanina. Grabe ang bait niya. Sinama pa niya ako doon. Perfect. Okay, back to the hotel. Super haggard na. I enjoyed the island hopping. So, I need to prepare quickly kasi meron kaming sunset sailing at 5. Tao po! Kapagal! Guys, nakapagbihis na ako. So, I'm on my way para i-meet si ate girl. Ayan, alis na tayo. And, alis na ako. Bye! So, guys, let's go na. Kasi baka naghihintay na siya dyan. Yeah, pag makakagaya yung sister. So, guys, Taiwanese pala siya. Hindi siya hindi siya Thailander. Nakalimutan ko, pero yan. So guys, hinihintay ko na lang siya. Hindi ko kung nasan siya. Ganda guys, oh. Siya guys. Hey! Let's go! Hey! Ooh!
A man who need to wear swimming suit or
Where is it? I cannot see. Oh, yeah. Okay. So guys, nakasakay na kami. Ayan sila kuya. We're ready for sunset sailing. Got it. Diyan na lang kuya sa lalagyan niyo. Thank you. There's the sunset. Wow, how beautiful. My BFF. How nice. Done. Let's go, let's jump. Che. We're going to jump here. Dito na lang kuya? Sa kabila. Take a video of me.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna eat here. Cafe Maruha. So guys, dito kami sa Cafe Maruha. And nag-CR lang siya. Last time I had only drink, not a meal. Yeah. I'm gonna put my vlog in here. Yeah, that is. I think it's too low. Can you please look at it? It's a little. Okay.
Better?
Okay. Okay, you choose. We're both indecisive. We don't know what to eat.
Yeah, it's more difficult.
You want seafood or chicken?
I'm afraid that I order, but you have already eaten.
Yeah.
So I think you order will be better. Because I'm afraid that
Okay,
you have
let's
to-
look.
I order my own drinks.
Okay. You want to eat like rice or no rice?
Okay, to everything.
Okay, everything. Okay. Because here in the Philippines, when it's they say dinner, they eat rice.
Exactly.
So I'm asking. Okay. Snacks. Maybe there's the Oh, there is it. Oh, that's why I'm finding it. Oh, this one is drink and this one is.
And yes.
Yeah. What's pizza? You want some pizza?
Yes.
Okay, let's have some pizza. Okay.
Up to you.
Okay.
I choose my own cocktail.
Wow. Okay, wait. You're not allergic to anything?
Yes.
Okay. Maruha special. Wow. I think this one is good. Yeah.
Drink this, but its price is covered.
It means is it available? Wait, I'll ask. Okay. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have pina colada?
Piña colada ya?
How much?
ka ng pinakulada dyan eh? Sa ano?
The price was
What price?
here.
Wala po sa menu eh. 365.
Oh, thank you.
Where is it? Ano ko na-recommend ko? Butter sa pizza. Do you have, Maruha special? Ilang inch?
It's size issue.
Okay. Sige, isa pong gano'n.
Sa mga special.
And then, ano pa pwedeng, ano mga recommend mo ate? Ano yung binabalik-balikan dito? Ikaw ba ate? Baka ikaw ba yung binabalik-balikan dito sa atin?
Yung nachos.
Nachos.
Tapos ito.
Where's the nachos? Where's the nachos? Ah, okay. Pizza and nachos. Ah, pasta. Ano pasta?
Dun sa kabila.
I want frozen mojito.
Frozen mojito.
Wait lang ate, no? Yun pa.
The chicken tenders.
Ito.
Same heavy na yung mga special.
Kaya nga eh. So, it's either nachos or ito, no?
Oo.
Ano yung tsura ng nachos? Ano yung mga ano niya? Wala nga ate. Wala nga. Okay, wait. Bibili na ako dito. Calamares. Patingin mo kaya ito ng calamares. You know calamari? Calamari. The squid, fried squid, coated with butter, flour.
That's okay. I will eat.
Okay. Chicken tenders. Wait, this big fries po, no? Ano sa dalawa ate mas masarap? Ito or ito?
You have
Pili ko
Wi-Fi?
ito.
Yes.
Okay. Sure recommend this one. Chicken tenders with fries.
Okay.
Sa drinks ate, mag-ano na ako.
Sige po, so unahin ko na.
You to follow. Thank you. So here's the view from our, yeah. It's too big. Ah, cute. It's like a boat. Thank you so much, ate. Guys, tapos na po kami kumain. Vlogging. We're done eating, and now we are heading to our own hotel. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna chat you, okay?
Bye.
Bye, thanks. Ito yung lunch ni Rian. Hindi niya naubos. Mapara siya, guys. Pero masarap. Parang ako nakaya, sister. Carrots. Yun guys, nakauwi na ako. So, ako na maliligo. Guys, sa labas na kami. Ayan. See you nasot ko kahapon kasi konti na akong damit. Bye. So guys, since nag-dinner na ako, siya na lang mag-dinner dito sa Paris Hilton. Kinabukas. Kaya po. Ay, meron na sila. Joke sana. Mango yun, di ba? Yung pong sikat na sikat. The famous. This one? Alam ba nagkaiba niya dito?
Mix na siya ng first and second bestseller.
O dito, isa lang. Hindi mas okay na yung mix. Ano mas okay? Yung maganda yung presentation, yung maganda.
Yes.
Ito yan.
Sa taas.
Ayan,
Tapos,
nataas.
compare siya.
Okay. Ay,
19.
sister, Eki, angko rin. Ulit ka rin. Ay, ulit. Hindi ko angko rin. Ulit.
Kaya.
What's your best seller?
From mango to watermelon. 5 bestseller.
But I want this one because it's so famous, right?
Yes.
Sige, ate.
19 po tayo.
Yes, 19 po.
Excuse me, sir. Warm.
Ano po? Ganda na ba? Hey, sister.
Eh, pwede ba i-video kapag ginagawa? Wait, gagalgalin.
Yan.
Perfect.
Sikat ka rin.
Pati po yun, ano ko yan, yung sa kamay makulong. Hindi makapag-gusto si Kuya.
Sa TikTok ka na. Bukas sa TikTok.
Ano ko yan, sa kagpito. Kaya si Asha. Cute yun. Paano yung kinakain, Kuya?
Ano lang ma'am, i-pour lang po.
Lahat? Lahat.
Yung condensed milk,
And then,
optional lang po.
okay.
Kulang yung sili.
Wow. Parang mangga talaga pala yun. Perfect naman, Kuya.
Kasing ganda ng presentation.
Ulit yung sa vlog, ate. Hindi naman ka din natinig. Yes, thank you po. Uwi na po kami. Sige po. Hey.
Enjoy,
Thank you,
ma'am.
thank you po. Welcome to Jollibee. Ay. Apple po lang. Apple. Ay. Ang fine. Manyama. So guys, back at the hotel na. And bibili lang ako ng food to eat inside. Ayan po yung mundo, guys. Guys, nakaklose na naman namin si ate na nagtitinda sa labi ng ano namin hotel. And now we're here again. Oh my Lord! Well, ay, party nila, sister. Guys, party po. So, kaya na lang maging receptionist for today's video. So guys, ito po yung binili namin. And then,